Hello and welcome to the video on what is accounting. There are millions of businesses around the world that have one thing in common, and that is that they all use accounting. Accounting gathers, translates, and communicates financial information of a business to allow knowledgeable decisions and judgments to be made. Let's have a look at how this can be put into practice by looking at an example with our friend Gren that has an ice cream van that operates at the seaside. Gren's business is involved in many activities and transactions. This could include the sales of an ice cream, purchasing another fridge to offer more flavours of ice cream, or an advert in the local paper to advertise his business. Gren will use accounting to help turn the activities and transactions into useful data. The following steps will happen when Gren uses accounting for the ice cream van business. Number 1. The business activities and transactions are gathered. Number 2. These activities and transactions are turned into financial information. And number 3 is that the financial information is produced into the financial statements. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in another video.